Hi all. From this video you will learn about the marketing of the NSP company and about how much income you can earn and within what time you can achieve this. You can watch the marketing scheme at the link below this video. There you can find out everything to the smallest detail. And now the main principle. You are already used to stores offering you to sign up for a cumulative discount. And stores give you bonuses. That's exactly the same in the NSP company. You draw up your personal number and receive your reward. But unlike stores, NSP rewards not only for a personal purchase, but also for a purchase made on your recommendation. For example, you told your friends about NSP, and they helped them get their personal number. Those, in turn, also talked about the NSP company, and they also helped their friends to issue their personal number. All of them will be part of your group. And for their purchases you will receive bonuses if you follow the simple rules of the marketing plan. There are no purchase requirements for either you or them in the NSP. Everyone buys what they like. And how much of what they like? Like is the word. This is the key word. Because people like the company's products, and they are willing to talk about it. The more volume your group does, the more you get paid. You will receive the maximum percentage of remuneration when your group makes 1,000 points per month. Then you are awarded the title of marketing leader. From the amount of purchases of the leadership group, you will be paid from 5 to 30%. It's about $150 to $200. It usually takes 3 to 4 months to create such a group. And you can get over $100 in bonuses from the fast start promotion. This is the first part of marketing. It looks at payouts within a leader group. And here you may have a question. What if one of the partners of your group gets carried away talking about NSP, and creates their own leadership group? Well, it would be just wonderful. Yes. Their group will stand out from your leadership group. But you won't lose it. You will be paid up to 11% for the amount of your first generation leadership groups. If this group makes 1,000 points, that 11% is $110. But you still earn from your group. Don't forget. And there we have about $150, $200. It usually takes 6 months to create your own group and one first generation leadership group. And the company additionally pays you a bonus for the quick start promotion. At this stage it is over $200. And starting from the title of a leader assistant, you can be included in the auto bonus program. Over the past 5 years, more than 130 partners have become happy owners of new cars of various classes. And some partners have already changed 3 cars during this time. Summing up for the 6 months, you have reached a monthly income of about $300. And you additionally received more than $300 through the quick start promotion. And someone got a new car. Many? Few? It's not the same for everybody. But this is only the beginning. A question for those with few. What needs to be done to have more? Any ideas? Everything is very simple. We need to grow new leadership groups. And you will be paid not only for the volume of the first level groups, but you can also get rewarded for volumes of groups of the second, third and so on up to the 7th generation. Look, you have grown a group into the 2nd level. And from this group you get up to 9%. When you raised 3 leadership groups in the 1st generation, you have been assigned the title of leader consultant, and you can get up to 5% from 3rd generation groups. If you became a consulting leader in 9 months, you again receive a bonus for the fast start promotion, this time over $600. Income at this level is already about $1,500 a month. When you raised 5 leadership groups in the 1st generation, you will be assigned the title of leader manager. If you follow the simple rules of the marketing plan, you can receive 2% from 4th generation groups. Already got the marketing idea? The wider, the deeper, the more 1st generation groups you have, the more levels you have in depth to earn you additional income. From this title, you will additionally receive one more percentage of organizational bonuses from your entire structure. The leader manager has an income of about $2,000 to $2,500. And if you reach this title in 1 year, you'll get over $1,000. By promotion quick start. Optimistic. The next step in your development is a title loved by many, Assistant Director. The Assistant Director already has 7 leaders in the 1st generation and you are already starting to receive a car bonus. For the leaders of the 1st generation, when you qualify for this title, your income will be about $3,000 to $5,000. And the most impressive thing is that you get another bonus. The company gifts you a trip to America. This conference is called Rising Stars. Everyone who was on this trip saw the company's central office and production facilities, talked with the management, with successful leaders from other countries of the world. Everyone says that this has become a key event in their lives. But your growth at NSP does not end there. Even more successful titles are ahead. Director Consultant, Director Manager, Member of the Board of Directors, and additional incentive programs, cars from the company, annual vacations in the best places in the world. Fantastical? No. Realistic. Because the NSP company has been successfully working with this marketing strategy in Eastern Europe since 2012. So this marketing is verified, effective, and profitable. Now that people are taking care of their health, NSP is growing like never before. In the last year alone, about 50,000 partners have joined us in Eastern Europe. We have grown about 1,000 new leaders and more than 10 new directors, including the highest title. The company is now starting its operations in Central and Western Europe. Welcome to the world of NSP.